Imagine being the mastermind behind how people interact with their favorite digital products. That's the world of a UX designer. It's a realm where creativity meets analysis, where you craft the digital journeys that millions embark upon daily. Ever wondered why you find some apps so intuitive, so engaging? That's the magic of UX design at play. It's about creating experiences, not just interfaces. So, ready to dive into the world of UX design? Stick around. A UX designer or user experience designer is quite the juggler. Balancing multiple balls in the air, they play a crucial role in shaping digital experiences. Imagine being the one who understands the needs of users, transforming these needs into meaningful interactions. This is the first responsibility of a UX designer. They are the detectives of the digital world, creating user personas that represent the diverse audience interacting with a product or service. Next, they transition into architects, designing wireframes that map out the user's journey. It's like blueprints for a building, but for an app or website. Yet the job doesn't stop there. They then become testers, turning these wireframes into interactive prototypes and refining them based on user feedback. It's a continuous cycle of learning, creating, and improving. Quite a list, isn't it? But that's what makes a UX designer so indispensable in today's digital-first world. A UX designer's toolbox is filled with more than just creativity. It's brimming with a range of skills and experiences that make the design magic happen. Let's dig a little deeper into this treasure trove. First, proficiency in design software like Sketch, Adobe XD, or Figma is a must. These are the brushes and paints of the digital artist, allowing the designer to bring ideas to life. But it's not just about creating beautiful designs. Understanding user-centered design principles is equally important. This means knowing how to create intuitive interfaces and enjoyable experiences that meet user needs. Communication skills are another gem in the toolbox. A UX designer often works within a team, collaborating with developers, product managers, and other stakeholders. They need to articulate their ideas clearly and effectively, ensuring everyone is on the same page. With these tools, a UX designer shapes the digital world, one user experience at a time. Like any job, being a UX designer comes with its highs and lows. Let's start with the valleys. Staying updated with rapid technological advancements can be a tough climb. It's a race against the clock, with new design tools and techniques emerging every day. Then, there's the task of managing diverse user expectations. Imagine creating a design that caters to a teenager and a retiree at the same time. Quite the puzzle, isn't it? Now, let's ascend to the peaks. UX designers are in serious demand, and this trend is only expected to grow in the coming years. This demand translates into a good salary, often above the industry average. Plus, the nature of UX design allows for a flexible work schedule. You could be sipping coffee in a cafe while creating the next big app interface. The challenges are real, but the rewards, they're worth it. The world of UX design is ever evolving, and so are the opportunities it offers. As technology advances, so do the roles within this dynamic industry. From UX researcher to UX strategist, the career paths are as varied as they are rewarding. Perhaps you will find yourself leading a team of designers shaping the digital landscapes of tomorrow. Or maybe you'll pivot towards a UX consultant role, helping businesses thrive in an increasingly digital world. In the world of UX design, the only constant is change, and that's what makes it so exciting. So, intrigued by the world of UX design? As we've journeyed today, we've unlocked the magic of UX design, delved into the daily responsibilities of a UX designer, and explored the tools they use to create seamless user experiences. We've climbed the peaks and navigated the valleys of this exciting profession, and even glimpsed into its future. This isn't just a job, it's an opportunity to shape the way people interact with technology, to make the digital world more accessible and enjoyable. It's a role that demands creativity, empathy, and a keen understanding of user needs. With the right skills and experience, you too could be part of this dynamic field. And remember, every great UX designer started somewhere. They embraced the challenges, constantly learned, and expanded their toolboxes. So, what about you? Are you ready to take the leap into the world of UX design? If you enjoyed this sneak peek into the life of a UX designer, subscribe to our channels, leave us a comment, or check out our other videos. Your next career move might just be a click away.